Good morning, good evening, my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, my brother and sister, today is November 21, 2025. It's Friday. We don't have work today. We will just take rest because I trained already almost 2 weeks straight. But I will show you now my updated physique. So, we are more linear and good condition. And the shape is getting improved. So it's almost 8:30 now a.m. here in Dubai, UAE. So we will do the quick posing, the front side and back shot. Then we will do the 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding. So let's go. So I just woke up. I don't have anything in my stomach. So after this, we will eat our first meal. So we'll do the quick posing. We do the side front back shot, and we will do the 7 mandatory pose of bodybuilding. So let's go. My weight now is around 77, 78 kilo. So we do the front shot first. So the abs is always there because I'm eating the food, clean food as much as I can. So front shot. Side. Back. Side. When I'm breathing, my balance sister, I'm controlling the breath, so I can showcase all of my guts and the muscle of my body. So we do the front shot first. Front double bicep. Let's spread. Side chest. Side tricep. Next we do the back shot. Back double bicep. Flat spread. Next, abdominal and thigh. Our line is always here, my man sister, because I'm always doing the crunches for the side. So let's go. Okay na sa mas muscular. So that's it, my man sister. Our updated physique, November 21, 2025. It's Friday, my man sister. We will just rest today because I already trained more than 2 weeks now straight. So that's it, my man sister. I hope you enjoyed the video. So before I go, my man sister, don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my new uploaded video to my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my band sister. So I will see you again, my band sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace.